No corruption, more grassroots development, says Sanyatwe. The 30th of August 2025, by a correspondent Vertical Bar Harare. Minister of Sports, Lieutenant General RTD, Ambassador Anselm Sanyatwe, has declared a tough stance against corruption in sport, while calling for stronger investment in grassroots development. Addressing officials at the Sports and Recreation Commission, SRC, offices during a meeting with the newly appointed board and staff, Sanyatwe, who was accompanied by his deputy and senior ministry officials, stressed the need for zero tolerance on corruption, improved corporate governance, and a renewed drive to nurture talent at the community level. His remarks come at a time when Zimbabwean football is facing credibility concerns following widespread speculation over match fixing. While no official cases have been confirmed, 2 FC Platinum players were recently suspended by the club pending investigations into alleged involvement in a suspected fixing scandal. Sanyatwe said the ministry would continue monitoring the integrity of sports institutions, while ensuring policies were geared toward developing young athletes and restoring public confidence